Ocean acidification can be especially detrimental to coastal areas. These areas are prime spots for the seafood industry. Whether it's commercial fisheries or private fishing ventures, the effects of ocean acidification are detrimental to both. In the image, you can see the bioluminescence of these phytoplankton. One specific detriment caused by ocean acidification is phytoplankton and bacterial blooms. These are caused by the coastal waters becoming more nutrient rich due to nutrient runoff into the ocean. These extra nutrients allow phytoplankton to flourish, and when they die, result in bacteria respiring the CO2 and acidifying the coastal waters. These blooms are problematic for the fishing industry because the blooms compete for the same nutrients that the fish need to survive. It is also a problem because very often these blooms are toxic. The toxicity can then run up the food chain and result in widespread fish die-offs, or by toxic fish being consumed by humans. This is prominent in Southern California where these phytoplankton blooms result in red tides. This is because of the red color of the phytoplankton that make the water appear red. In Southern California, it is necessary to be careful about the seafood that is harvested to make sure that the public won't be harmed. They also have a biotoxin hotline in order for the public to be informed about when and where these red tides occur and to receive information about how to stay safe from them. When these red tides occur, the fishing industry is widely impacted because much of the seafood is inedible. The toxic red tides especially can cause massive fish die-offs, while the non-toxic red tides can still taint the seafood and make it unfit for sale. Red tides can be mitigated by minimizing fertilizer runoff from farms in coastal regions.